Four in each line. Four in each line. Abang Chief Minister House nem arajar sa handai ulang bentuk ini nama ground. Kini Nonghikai pila ang bentuk ini. Ismu tu arajar sa handai. Chief Minister ulang ong. Ba kan tembak kendram hau benai November. Angka yang mati ground tu ulang ong. Kata nang isti toru sila bencet na silang time sekarang. Tang ba haduk menta ukhakan ini haduk menta palong ai. Dia habas sa haba. Chief Minister ulah bentuk ini, Education Minister ulah bentuk ini. Di nilai kumno kan haba kini Nonghikai kitab ini. Meeting ini orang Nonghikai yang wan sini ada. Orang wan sini. Tang kitab ini nilai kumno. Lamar ngatrai kila yo ya kini gajing top na gini minister ni. Ngatrai kini gajing pang jing top kan kalau awan na kini minister ni kalau awan kini Nonghikai tu. Jangan nilai kumno ya kata. Inilah abang ang balik ko. Inilah abang ang pones ni Nonghikai hindi na school. Ito lang muna. Lada unong yalami. Kasi unong yalam tiba. Lada unong yalami ulong batok. Tiki nong buru di topen. Ingin niya kuno. Ini awan ni. Ngati nga kamtok. Sama dia ni. Ini iba na nang ni kamtok ini. Tambah kita di pamdan nang ni kan kamtok ini. Kaya habat kamtok ini ingin lihat kuno. Ay punishment. Ngala ba na ay? Namar ba unong yalami tu kamtok medu ni kong. Kalau ada unong yalam umla penyalam ini, hak lebih kepada niru umla benbut yang ada. Ini pun dah nangis, umla benbut, ini umla benai aibat kata. Semoga suatu yang tahu position juki, kiwan nak kalian ke government, ditrai ke government ni suatu baik position juki. Niru ini part of government ni, niru ini part of government. Tangba, ke government pada yang ini kampen snap, ke government yang ini kan kita dormat. Ini ada kat lo kan bang yang susah kejap. They cannot do that for one day. We are asking from them 1 hour of this 22nd of April to talk to us face to face because we deserve it. It's not that we want it, we deserve it. So if they come to multi-ground, we give us the assurance that they are going to come to multi-ground, we are going to sit there, we are going to talk there like gentlemen. Then we will bring all of these people back to multi-ground. But if they cannot do that on their part, then we will also not listen to them any longer. We have been listening to them since 2019. They asked us to wait and we waited. When we start here, they asked us to wait, we waited. For how long can we wait? Some of these teachers are retiring. I'm not fighting for myself. I'm fighting for most of these teachers are retiring. 20, 30 years of service. Can you imagine they are living on 12,000 per month? Are their children not supposed to go to school, sir? Fundamental rights, sir. That is one of our fundamental rights. It is not just that we will have to respond to them. They also have a duty to be responsible for us. They are leaders. They have to be responsible for us. And if they cannot do that, which is a small, simple thing, then we cannot listen to them as well. We cannot adhere to all of these protocols that have been given. We follow each and every single thing. For the last 1 month, even today we are here on the permission. It is stated that we will be here till 3. The permission is till 3. We will be here till 3. So we will not change our minds right now. Who? No one. In the course of 1 month, we sat here for 1 month. Did you come, sir, to talk to us here in the course of 1 month? No. Why today? Why only today?
See,
Because you are getting the permission. See, I can understand. I can understand, sir. Yeah. Yeah, sure.
See, I'm not here, no, but negotiate what happens. Okay, the course of outreach, what happens, I'm not here to negotiate. That we will do this, we will do that. Okay, we are here basically to maintain law and order.
Yeah.
Okay, so as so far you have adhered to all the, whatever the permission has said, of course, it's peaceful and all that. But now, some of the, from your association, have marched to the other side. Okay, so we request you kindly, okay, because they are not, they are willing to listen to only to you. So you have to kindly go and kindly request them, kindly call them. Okay, please, you can tell them to request them to go to Maldives.
Yeah,
We will wait till the person comes and talk to us and ask the deadline.
No, this one cannot be. This one not.
We also cannot wait. We cannot wait. No, that's fine. That's fine. Whatever has to happen to them, let it be. Let it be. We are ready for anything, sir.
For 1 month we have been waiting. For 1 month we have been waiting. Request you can have done it yourself. Since the government does not invite us for nearly 1 month, that's why we come to the door of the government. Maybe now they will invite us. So please send a message. Only the leaders will come here.